सुप्रभात बच्चों, नमस्कार, गुड मॉर्निंग चिल्ड्रन, हाउ आर यू ऑल? कैसे हो आप सब? ठीक है। तो बच्चों, हम लोगों ने पिछले सेशन में ये जो पार्ट 1 है राग की रसी के लघु उत्तर प्रश्न और दीर्घ उत्तर प्रश्न देखा है ना। तो बाकी का आज हम लोग कंटिन्यू करेंगे। टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू कंटिन्यू द रिमेनिंग क्लास वर्क नोट। सो कम चिल्ड्रन, विल सी दी part 1 Rakhi ki Rasi classwork notebook. Okay, previously I had given short answers and the next two long answer questions I had given. So today we are going to see remaining other long answer questions and Bhasha Vyakaran also we'll see. Okay, come, we'll see. So up to this much we had seen children. So today we are going to see the third question. So चलिए आप सब लोग देखिए बच्चों, तीसरा प्रश्न, लोम्पोगान ने दूसरी बार बेटे से क्या लाने को कहा? सो लोम्पोगार अगेन he sent two times to the city, no? So the second time what he said and what he said to bring from the city. He kept one condition, no? So you should not harm the sheep and you should not sell the sheep of the wound like this. Don't do like that. But when you are coming back to home at the time, you have to bring again 100 bags of grains. Okay, so like that he said. That is only the answer. लोम्पोगान ने दूसरी बार बेटे से क्या लाने को कहा? So he said to bring 100 bags of grains. So उत्तर, लोम्पोगान ने दूसरी बार भी बेटे से 100 बोरे जौ लाने को कहा था. He said again, you go and bring 100 bags of grains. इस बार उसने अपने बेटे को भेड़ों के बाल बेचने से मना कर दिया था. But what he said, you should not sell the sheep of the wool. So at first only it was removed. So again where the wool will come. Okay, so he said don't sell that thing. वे देखना चाहता था कि इस बार उसका बेटा जौ खरीद कर कैसे लाता है. So he want to check. So how he is going to bring that 100 bags of grains. So that's why he sent again to the city. Okay. So next, have you all understood? Yes. Next, fourth question. लड़की ने राख की रस्सी कैसे बनाई? So how that girl was made that ash rope, children? Can anyone remember the story? How she was made? So this Lompogar, after that, this Lompogar's son, he went and he explained everything how he got, and he said about that girl for second time, no? So at that time, father was kept one condition. He said no. So tell that girl to make 9 handspans of the ash rope. So this information was passed by that son. Okay, so after that, that girl was agreed. Yes, I'll make. But again, she kept one condition. What is that? Your father has to wear that ash robe. Like that, she said. Yes, no. So at the time, father also agreed. So it is not possible to make the ash robe. That thing only it is not possible now. So how can I wear that thing like that? He said, and he accepted that condition. And he said, first tell her to make the ash robe. So at the time, the girl, what she did? Anyone remember? Yes. So that girl, she took one stone like as a sill. Okay. So on that stone, what she did? She arranged that 9 handspans of the rope there. After that, she fired. After firing that thing, what it was happened? It became the shape of the rope, and there is a ash will be there. Okay. If she is touching her, the shape will go off. So that's why what she did. Along with that stone only, she carried, and she went in front of the minister. Okay. So that is only we have to write. So answer. लड़की ने अपनी बुद्धिमत्ता का परिचय देते हुए एक पत्थर की सिल पर 9 हाथ लंबी रस्सी रखकर जला दी. So she is showing her smartness. Okay, so what she did? She took one stone. On that she kept 9 handspans of the rope there. After that she fired that thing. रस्सी के जल जाने के कारण सिल पर रस्सी के आकार की राख बच गई. So at the time the rope was burned. So now the shape of the rope shape of the ash is remaining there. So इस प्रकार लड़की ने राख की रस्सी बनाई. So this way this girl was made the ash rope. Okay children. So come repeat with me ma. लोम्पोगार ने दूसरी बार बेटे से क्या लाने को कहा? उत्तर. लोम्पोगार ने दूसरी बार भी बेटे से 100 बोरे जौ लाने को कहा था. इस बार उसने अपने बेटे को भेड़ों के बाल बेचने से मना कर दिया था. वे देखना चाहता था कि इस बार उसका बेटा जौ खरीद कर कैसे लाता है. ओके, वन मोर टाइम. लोम्पोगार ने दूसरी बार बेटे से क्या लाने को कहा? उत्तर. लोम्पोगार ने दूसरी बार भी बेटे से 100 बोरे जौ लाने को कहा था. इस बार उसने अपने बेटे को भेड़ों के बाल बेचने से मना कर दिया था. वे देखना चाहता था कि इस बार उसका बेटा जौ खरीद कर कैसे लाता है. ओके, सो फिर से और एक बार बच्चों. लोम्पोगार ने दूसरी बार बेटे से क्या लाने को कहा? उत्तर. लोम्पोगार ने दूसरी बार भी बेटे से 100 बोरे जौ लाने को कहा था. इस बार उसने अपने बेटे को भेड़ों के बाल बेचने से मना कर दिया था. वे देखना चाहता था कि इस बार उसका बेटा जौ खरीद कर कैसे लाता है. नेक्स्ट, फोर्थ क्वेश्चन. लड़की ने राख की रस्सी कैसे बनाई? उत्तर. लड़की ने अपनी बुद्धिमत्ता का परिचय देते हुए एक पत्थर की सिल पर 9 हाथ लंबी रस्सी रखकर जला दी. रस्सी के जल जाने के कारण सिल पर रस्सी के आकार की राख बच गई. इस प्रकार लड़की ने राख की रस्सी बनाई. लड़की ने अपनी बुद्धिमत्ता का परिचय देते हुए एक पत्थर की सिल पर 9 हाथ लंबी रस्सी रखकर जला दी. रस्सी के जल जाने के कारण सिल पर रस्सी के आकार की राख बच गई. इस प्रकार लड़की ने राख की रस्सी बनाई. वन मोर टाइम. लड़की ने राख की रस्सी कैसे बनाई? उत्तर. लड़की ने अपनी बुद्धिमत्ता का परिचय देते हुए एक पत्थर की सिल पर 9 हाथ लंबी रस्सी रखकर जला दी. रस्सी के जल जाने के कारण सिल पर रस्सी के आकार की राख बच गई. इस प्रकार लड़की ने राख की रस्सी बनाई. Okay children, so see and complete these 2 question answers also. Now come we'll see भाषा एवं व्याकरण. So first one, वर्ग में दिए गए शब्दों को व्यक्तिवाचक अथवा जातिवाचक संज्ञा में छांटकर लिखो. So we know no Sanya we are having three types. One is Vyaktivachak Sanya, second one is Jativachak Sanya, and third one is Bhavavachak Sanya. Here he is telling, so they had given some words. So see here, they had given some words and he is asking to separate these words. If the Vyaktivachak, which means proper noun na, you write under the proper noun. If Jativachak, common noun na, you write under the common noun. Okay. So what are the words had given? We'll see now. Ladki, Gampo, Bora, Beta, Tibbat, Lompogar, Agra, Rassi. One more time I am reading. Ladki, Gampo, Bora, Beta, Tibbat, Lompogar, Agra, Rassi. Okay. So Vyaktivachak Sanya means what? Proper noun. Proper noun means what? There should be a name of the place, name of the person, and name of the thing, or otherwise name of the city, or name of the country also we can take. Jativachak means common noun. If you all are the students. Okay, so students are the common noun. Here I am not mentioning like as a class fifth students. I am not telling no only students, which means common noun. Okay, like that only children, बच्चे. ठीक है, विद्यार्थी अलग है, बच्चे अलग है. विद्यार्थी यानी students. Already had given that thing. And Bache. Bache means children. Here I am not saying, I am not calling the name of the child, which means Sai Prasad, or otherwise Himavashini, or otherwise Yeshwant, or otherwise Aftab, or otherwise Rachita. I am not taking the name. Okay, only Bache, children. Bache means Jativachak Sanya. Have you all understood? Vyaktivachak Sanya means especially the name of the person should be, the name of the place should be, the name of the thing should be. Okay. So that one we are calling Vyaktivachak. Jativachak means commonly. Common name. Okay. So that one we are calling Jativachak. Now first we will see Vyaktivachak Sanya. So here see Ladki. Ladki means girl. There is a name, no name. Okay, ladki means girl. No name. So that this one it comes under the Vyaktivachak or Jativachak. No name, which means this one is Jativachak. Now see second one Gampo. Gampo, it is coming under the Vyaktivachak Sanya. Why? Gampo is a name. Okay, Gampo is the name. So that's why this comes under the Vyaktivachak Sanya. Next see Bora. Bora means bag. So bag so many types we are having. Okay, like jute bag we are having, plastic bag we are having, cloth bag we are having. Okay, so here only Bora means bag only. So there is no particular name of this thing. So this one it comes under the Jativachak Sanya. Next, if you are seeing beta, so wait children, here I am writing with the, I am taking pen. So first one ladki, this one is the Jativachak Sanya. So for Ja I am writing, okay. And see here, Gampo is the name. So Vyaktivachak, I am writing, okay. And see Bora, Bora means bag. So here also there is no particular name. Okay, so this one is also Jativachak Sanya. Now see Beta, which means a son. Okay, so son means there is no name. Okay, so this one is also Jativachak Sanya. Now you take Tibet, which means Tibet. Okay, Tibet is the name of the place. Okay, so name, particular name it came, which means this one is a proper noun, Vyaktivachak Sanya. Okay, so now see here Lompogar. Lompogar is also name of a person. So Vyaktivachak Sanya. Now if we are taking Agra, Agra. This one is also name of the place only. So Vyaktivachak. Now see last one, Rassi. Rassi also we are having so many types, no? Rassi means what? Rope. So plastic rope is there. So like this jute rope will be there. Cloth rope is also will be there. Okay, so many types of ropes we are having. So this one is only rope had given, which means Jativachak Sanya. Okay. Now you understood particular name it is there means that one is Vyaktivachak Sanya. Jativachak Sanya means common. It is having common noun. Okay. And the next abstract. Bhavachak Sanya. So bhav means feeling. So today we are tired. Tired is that feeling. Okay. We are feeling very hot. Hot is also feeling. So that one it comes under the Bhavachak Sanya. Okay. So that one no need to write it here. Here they had asked only Vyaktivachak Sanya. So what are the Vyaktivachak Sanya we are having? Gampo, Tibbat, Lompogar, Agra. So these are all the Vyaktivachak Sanya. So see here Gampo, Tibbat, Lompogar, Agra. Now come we'll see the Jativachak Sanya. Jativachak Sanya means common noun. So here what are the common nouns we are having? Ladki, girl. There is no name. Next beta. There is no name. Bora, bag. There is particular name is not there. And the next Rassi. Okay, these are all the Jativachak Sanya. So लड़की बोरा बेटा रस्सी ये जो है जातिवाचक संज्ञा है ठीक है बच्चों समझ में आई आपको हैव यू ऑल अंडरस्टूड नो सो संज्ञास आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू चिल्ड्रन सो यू हैव टू नो द कॉन्सेप्ट ओके चिल्ड्रन चलिए अब हम लोग आगे देखते हैं विलोम शब्द ठीक है बच्चों अपोजिट वर्ड्स फर्स्ट वन इज समस्या समस्या मीन्स व्हाट problem okay for that question we can tell question also samadhan which means answer like that only second one dukhi this one we know dukhi means sadness sukhi means happiness next asambhav asambhav means impossible sambhav possible पहनना wear उतारना remove गंवाए lost पाए get or otherwise got लंबी long छोटी small this one we know okay everyone come repeat with me समस्या समाधान समस्या समाधान दुखी सुखी दुखी सुखी असंभव संभव असंभव संभव पहनना उतारना पहनना उतारना गंवाए पाए गंवाए पाए लंबी छोटी लंबी छोटी ओके अब चलिए हम लोग देखते हैं वाक्य बनाना सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू सी द फ्रेम सेंटेंस okay this one is very important in your grammar book lot of exercises will be there in that you have to frame the sentence so from now onwards only you start making frame sentence your own example here I have given so if you are checking in your grammar book now the half of the exercises will be this only you have to frame the sentence by using that word okay particular word will be given so they are going to ask frame sentence so according to you any sentence you can frame but that word it should be meaning okay so there is a meaning of that sentence also okay so see here first one वाक्य में प्रयोग कीजिए फर्स्ट वन इज होशियार होशियार मीन्स व्हाट क्लेवर so for clever we can tell Neha is a clever girl Sai Prasad is a clever boy like this simple sentences only we can make here I wrote मेरा भाई पढ़ने में बहुत होशियार है my brother he is very clever in studies okay like that I wrote according to you if you want to write in your own words now you can write like that only chatur means what this one is also coming like as a same meaning only clever intelligent meaning only okay so here lomdi bahut chatur thi here also you can write your own so here I wrote fox is very clever okay so like that I wrote next samajhdar means what understanding okay so samajhdar bacha hai which means he is understanding nicely okay समझदार बच्चे हर बात का ध्यान रखते हैं. So those who are understanding children will be there, means for each and everything they will taking care of them. Okay, so here you can write Ramesh बहुत समझदार बच्चा है, otherwise नीलू समझदार बच्ची है. हाँ, पीहू समझदार बच्चा है. Like that also you can write. Next, bhola. Bhola means innocent. So for according to innocent, we have to use this word in the sentence. बच्चे बहुत भोले होते हैं. Children are very innocent. If you in your mind any sentence will be there na, you can use it, you can write. Okay, children. So this frame sentence is also very important for us. Okay, so write this thing also in your classwork notebook. Okay, children. So, as I told before class only, I informed you I want to conduct the test on Monday. So, I am planning to conduct the test on Monday. So, everybody, please go through this lesson, read perfectly, and perform the test on Monday. Okay, children. So, this time, next class, if I am having time now, I will take one time like as a revision. Okay, I know some people they are feeling difficulty for reading, so I will give the practice on that also. You can write the test easily. Okay children, so thank you all of you. धन्यवाद बच्चों, हम लोग मिलते हैं अगले सेशन.